Mentioned in sacred history and loved across the globe, from the ancient sun-drenched orchards to high-speed
The journey begins in the heart of the orchard, where every single fruit is monitored for perfect ripeness before the harvest starts.
Each one is handpicked with precision, ensuring the delicate skin remains untouched, preserving the natural sweetness locked inside.
From the trees, these crates are gathered and quickly sorted, preparing the harvest for its next major transformation.
This is where nature takes over. Spread across vast drying beds, the intense heat of the sun naturally
Consistency is key. Every fruit is turned by hand to ensure the sun reaches every curve, achieving that perfect, uniform texture.
Science meets tradition here. Only when the moisture levels are exactly right does the harvest move from the fields to the factory.
Now ready, the sun-dried treasure is loaded onto temperature-controlled trucks, beginning its high-tech industrial phase.
At the factory, the first step is absolute purity. High-pressure jets wash away every impurity, revealing the glowing amber color of the dry.
To prevent spoilage, powerful air currents instantly dry the surface, preparing the product for the final precision sorting.
Perfection is guaranteed by technology. Sensors scan every millimeter, ensuring only the finest quality.
Precision grading begins here. To ensure uniform quality, machines sort the harvest into specific sizes, preparing them for specialized packaging. Safety is the highest priority. X-ray technology looks inside every fruit to ensure no hidden impurities remain before moving to the next stage.
A brief hot water bath softens the texture. This step reactivates the natural gloss, making the fruit tender and ready for consumption.
Stabilizing the moisture is crucial. Rapid cooling locks in the softness, ensuring the product stays fresh for months to come. Even with advanced tech, the human eye is irreplaceable. Our experts hand-check every piece to maintain the premium standard of this process. To guarantee a long shelf life, the facility uses high-pressure steam sterilization, eliminating any bacteria without using chemicals. Speed meets accuracy. These digital scales calculate the perfect weight in milliseconds, ensuring every pack is filled to perfection. Presentation is an art. Modern machinery aligns the fruit into beautiful patterns, creating the signature look you see on store shelves.
All air is removed to preserve the natural flavor. Vacuum sealing keeps the fruit as fresh as the day it was harvested in the orchard.
The final safety check. Every package passes through metal sensors, ensuring that the facility maintains the highest global food safety standards. Branding is the next step. High-speed machines apply labels with perfect alignment, carrying the heritage of these orchards to the world. Traceability is key in modern production. Every pack is marked with its unique digital footprint, ensuring full transparency from farm to table. In the packaging zone, specialized machines assemble heavy-duty cartons, preparing them to hold the premium fruit safely. Efficiency meets grace. Robotic arms handle the heavy lifting, packing the finished trays into shipping boxes with tireless speed. Once filled, the cartons are sealed tight. This reinforced packaging protects the product from the elements during international transit.
Nothing is left to chance. Every master carton is weighed to ensure it contains exactly the right amount of high-quality fruit.
Logic and strength combine here. The facility uses automated palletizers to stack hundreds of boxes with military-grade precision.
To ensure stability during shipping, the entire pallet is wrapped in protective film, locking the harvest in place for global travel.
Until the moment of export, the product stays in a climate-controlled environment, preserving that fresh-picked taste in every bite.
From these modern docks, the incredible results of this journey are loaded for export, reaching millions of homes across the continents. Behind the scenes, the facility's lab experts test every batch. This ensures the sugar levels and purity.
Hygiene is never compromised. Frequent microbial tests are conducted on both the machinery and the product to maintain a 100% sterile environment.
For the high-end market, this process involves delicate hand packing. These choice fruits selected for their perfect size and shape.
Even the smallest speck of dust is removed. This high-velocity suction system ensures the packaging remains crystal clear and perfectly presented.
Human safety and product purity go hand in hand. Every staff member passes through multi-stage sanitization before touching the production floor.
Final aesthetics are perfected here. Shrink wrapping provides an extra layer of protection while giving the box a premium, retail-ready shine. Nothing goes to waste in this facility. Fruits that don't meet the visual standard are repurposed into high-quality pastes and natural sweeteners for the baking industry.
To keep the high-speed line running 24/7, automated systems maintain the machinery with food-safe lubricants.
Digital tracking begins. With RFID technology, the facility can track this exact pallet as it moves across oceans to its final destination.
The cycle of nature continues. Even the organic waste is converted back into fertilizer. The brain of the facility. From this central hub, every conveyor, sensor, and machine is monitored in.
To maintain the highest food safety standards, specialized air filtration systems constantly scrub the environment, keeping the air as pure as the fruit itself.
Sustainability is at the core of this operation. A massive solar array powers the facility.
Nothing is reused without being cleaned. This automated tray washing system ensures a continuous loop of hygiene, ready for the next batch of fresh harvest.
Safety protocols are tested daily. These rapid response systems protect both the workers and the machinery.
Storages. To keep the fruit tender and fresh, nitrogen flushing is used during sealing. This prevents oxidation, locking.
Modern logistics means total transparency. With a simple scan, every pack can be traced back to the exact tree it was picked from, months ago. Even the floors are maintained by high-tech automation. These robotic cleaners work around the clock to keep the facility's surfaces spotless and sanitized. With the final seal of approval, the harvest is officially certified for the world. This mark represents the pinnacle of modern food processing technology. The journey from the orchard is complete. These trucks carry the finest harvest to global ports, ready to bridge the gap between tradition and your table. In these massive steel containers, the fruit travels across oceans, protected by the same high-tech climate control that started in the factory.
Day or night, the supply chain never stops. Thousands of miles away, the same fresh quality arrives.
From the port to local hubs, the distribution is surgical. Speed ensures that the sun-dried taste remains as vibrant as it was on the field.
Finally reaching the shelves, the product stands as a testament to weeks of hard work, nature's patience, and industrial precision.
When a customer chooses this pack, they aren't just buying fruit. They are experiencing the pinnacle of modern agriculture.
The moment of truth. As the seal breaks, the aroma and texture are exactly as they were in the Turkish sun. Fresh, sweet, and pure.
Even at the end, the process remains responsible. The packaging is designed to be recycled, ensuring the cycle of nature continues for the next generation.
From a simple snack to a gourmet ingredient, the versatility of these figs makes them a global favorite in every kitchen.
A journey of millions, powered by the sun and perfected by technology.
Orders. Thank you for joining this incredible journey of millions of figs, the incredible sun drying and modern packing process. If you enjoyed this factory tour,